In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks, how to export your customers' email addresses. If you need a simple way to pull a list of customer email addresses from QuickBooks Online, this process is quick and straightforward. In just a moment, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can download your customer list into a spreadsheet and review the email column easily. Start by signing into QuickBooks Online and looking at the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, click on Sales. This area is where QuickBooks organizes customer-related activity, including invoices, payments, and your full customer list. Once you're in the Sales section, select Customers. That will open the customer grid, where you can see the records for the customers saved in your QuickBooks account. Take a moment to make sure the list has fully loaded, since the export will reflect the customer data shown in this section. Next, go to the top right corner of the customer grid and look for the Export to Excel icon. This is usually displayed as a small page symbol with an arrow. Click that icon to begin the export. QuickBooks will then generate and download a spreadsheet file containing your customer information. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically to your default Downloads folder, or you may be prompted to choose where to save it. If you don't see it right away, check your browser's download bar or downloads history so you can open the file without delay. After the spreadsheet has finished downloading, open it in Excel or another spreadsheet program that supports this file format. Once the sheet is open, look through the columns until you find the Email column. That column will display the customer email addresses included in your QuickBooks customer records. If needed, you can widen the column so the full email addresses are easier to read, or sort the spreadsheet later for easier review. The key part of this process is that QuickBooks exports the customer data into a usable spreadsheet, making it much easier to view and work with contact information outside the platform. That's all there is to it. To export your customer email addresses from QuickBooks Online, go to Sales, Open Customers, click the Export to Excel icon at the top right of the customer grid, and then open the downloaded spreadsheet to view the email column.